Okay, good morning class. So you just wrote your class test. So at this point, okay. At this point, I ask you to redo the algebraic fractions. Okay, remember we did fraction of factorization from the beginning, from another textbook, which is the answer series study guide. And then we come in, so I asked you yesterday to redo the algebraic fractions from the study and master textbook. So at this point, I'm just going to take it from the top again. Okay. Very important section for your upcoming exam as well. Okay. People, number one. What is this answer here? 7 goes to 7 1. 7 goes to 21 3 times. So it's 3x squared. Not so? So 7 minus 5 is 2. The next one, can I simplify this with that there? Of course not. You're going to take out the common factor of 3x. I'm left with x minus 2 over 3x. So what happens is 3x cancels 3x, gives you with x minus. The next one, I gave you this here, no? Not so? So the numerator becomes what? X plus 3, x minus 3 over. This was x minus 3, x plus, no, x plus 3, x minus 6. That's what I gave you last time, no? Right, so what can happen here? X plus 3 cancels x plus 3. So what are we left with? X minus 3 over x minus 6. Right, any problems there? The next one, as you can see here, this is a minus 2 squared. So that can be written as a minus 2 times a minus 2. So that there cancels with one of those a minus 2's, leaves you an a minus x, which then gives you a minus x. I don't need a bracket. Yes?
If you just do it like that and not divide it.
If we go from there straight into the answer, 100%. Okay. People, the number 5, what needs to be done here in the denominator? We take out the common factor of 3. Then I'm left with a squared minus b squared. Now looking here in this bracket, a squared minus b squared, what can be done there? It will be 3 into a plus b. So again, a minus b cancels with one of the two on top. Not so. We're going to leave you with a minus b over 3 into a plus b. Or you could have said a minus b into 3a plus 3b, if you want to multiply the 3 out. But that would be suffice for your full marks. Okay? You guys okay with that? Okay? So let's carry on. To run number 6 now. Number 6, what can be done here on top? X plus 1, x minus 1 over x minus 1 squared. So x minus 1 cancels with one of the two at the bottom, not so? So it will give us x plus 1 over x. Okay. Look at number 7. What can be done here? Common factor of 6. So it's x plus 1 over 3 as a common factor. So 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 6 twice. That cancels. It leaves you a 2 over 1, which is 2. Okay. Any problems there, people? Right. Number 8. Again, I gave you this here. That you trinomial. We haven't done that type of factorization yet. So it's going to be a minus 3a plus 2. Okay. So what can be done here on top? A plus 3, a minus 3. Difference of 2 squares times, yeah? A is the common factor. I'm left with? Over? Okay. So what happens now? A minus 3 cancel. A plus 2 cancel. A cancel one of those two A's. So what are we left with on top? A plus 3 over A. Can those A's cancel? Why not? Because of the two terms in the numerator. Okay. Okay. People, the next one. Again, I gave you that thing. So it's going to be a plus 2, a plus 1. Okay. What can happen on top? 3 is a common factor. I'm left with a minus p. Change that to multiplication, tumble and times. So it's going to be a plus 2 over. So what can cancel? A plus 2 cancels. So we left with 3 over. Okay. The last one. Number 10. Again, that was given. So it's going to be x squared over x plus 2, x minus 2. Change that to multiplication, tumble and times. 3 times. So on top, for that is going to be x minus 3, x minus 2. But if you're looking at this here, so I'm going to take out x as a common factor. I'm left with 3 minus x. So I'm going to swap that around. What's going to happen if I swap that around? Negative comes out. So it's minus x into x minus 3. So what happens now? Cancel. X minus 2 cancel x minus 2. X minus 3. X cancel one of those two, not so? So what are we left with on top? X over x plus 2 and that negative here. Okay, and the negative can lie there, there or there. Okay. Okay. But if it lies next to it, we don't need a bracket in the denominator. People, you guys understand? Any confusion here? Yes? Still busy? Was there more sums in this exercise? Yes. We didn't do addition and subtraction of fractions, no? Huh? We did. This year. So did we do numbers from the exercise on page 45? Numbers 11 to 20. Sorry? Let's go to this page quickly. Page 45. We did all these sums. You sure? Can somebody confirm that? Somebody else? He says, see, we have done everything. It is this one here I'm speaking about, this exercise. This here. These are the 10 sums we just did. Did we do this here? Yes. Who says we did this already? Only you did it. Bring me your book, let me see. Oh, friend, bring. My girl, Gabby, bring me your book. We did it. You sure? Okay, so we have marked it already. We haven't marked it. I think we did 11 and 12, man. 11, 12, 13 we did. I don't think we did 14, 15, 16. We did. But I'm talking about 14 to 20. And we marked it. Okay. Number 14. Listen, man. You're talking about factorization. In factorization, I'm talking about.
So we did from 12 to 20.
We marked it already. That one-day story is to do with factorization from the study. We didn't do factorization from the study and master yet. Correct? Yes, I know. So I said that we're going to do one day. So when it comes to 14 to 20, we didn't. You guys did it, but we didn't mark it. Right. That sounds right, yes. So now I stopped somewhere in the middle, and you guys, because you guys failed the class test miserably, so I went home crying. Same. Right? So what happened was, I was told it's fine, man, don't worry. It's fine. So what I did was, yeah, here's the exercise. Okay. Right, we must do from number 14. Here we go. So number 14. Is that correct? See what's that. Right, number 14. People, what's your LCM here? 6x. Okay, so that's 6x. So 3x multiplied by what is 6x? Let's put here LCM. Let's multiply that by 2 and that by 2. Not so. So it's 2 into 2x minus 1. That must be multiplied by 3. So it's negative 3 into x minus 1. That was multiplied by 3x. So it's going to be minus 3x into 1. Okay. So what do I do now? Yes, Michael? You wrote? So brackets, you got 2 more brackets. So you got negative 1 into 3x like that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's fine. Right. So what do we do now? Multiply. Get rid of the brackets, no? What do we get? 4x minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 minus 3x over 6x. So what is 4x minus 3x? X minus 3x, negative 2x, minus 2 plus 3, over 6. Who got that one right? Not everybody's going to get full marks for maths, no? You see all the hands going up on the side of the class. Okay. You guys with me, no? Guys still among the living. Right, let's take us off. So we're going to now look at number 15. Number 15, what's your LCM here? X squared. 2x squared. Nice. So 2x times what is 2x squared? X. So it's 3 times x. Or x times 3. Minus 1 into. X multiplied by what is 2x squared? 2x. Plus 3 into. X squared multiplied by what is going to give you 2x squared? 2. So what do I do now? Multiply and get rid of the brackets. So what do we get? 3x minus 2x plus over like terms. What is 3x minus 2x? Plus 6 over? Who got that one right? Same people. Okay, see this side of the class is now for the first time. Yes, for the first time. Okay. Right. Let's do the next one. Number 16. People, what's your LCM here? It's 2, 3 and 4. It's 12. So 2 times what is 12? 6. So it's 6 into m minus 4. That must be multiplied by what? 4. Now that 4 multiplied by this 2 is 8. So it's plus 8 into m minus 1. This must be multiplied by what? 3. So it's 3 into m minus 1. Okay. Yes, Michael?
So why did you write 8 instead of 4?
Because, okay, otherwise if you're going to write here 2 times 4 into m minus 1. So what's 2 times 4? But you understand? Any other confusion? Right, now what do we do now? We get rid of the brackets. So what do we get? 6m minus 24 plus 8m minus 8 minus plus 3. Why plus 1? 3m plus 3 and not 1. So what do we do now? Yes, like terms. So 6m plus 8m, 14m minus 3m, 11m. Minus 24 minus 8, negative 32. Plus 3, negative 29 over 12. Who got that answer? Okay. Did you guys understand? Sorry? You're copying, okay. So now, how can you get it right if you're still getting copying the answer down? Sorry? You took 2 packets. 1. Okay, try. Okay, you guys finish? Right? Let's carry on with our lives. Number 17. 17. Bill, what's your LCM in number 17? Remember that's number 1, so it's 6. So that's going to be multiplied by 3. So it's 3x plus y minus 2 into 2x. Okay, wait, I'm going to cut this bit. The sums is just getting a bit bigger and it's becoming more confusing, okay? What number was that? 17. JB, why are you walking around? Now what are you doing on your feet? Stretching, okay. Right, number 17. We said 6. 6 is the LCM, not so? We times that by 3. So it's 3x plus y times that by 2. So it's 2x minus y times that by 6. So it's 2x. So what do we do now? Brackets, get rid of the brackets. Okay. Wilfried, you see me busy here? You turn around. Yes. Right, let's go. 9x plus 3y minus 4x. 4x plus 2y. Plus 12x over 6. So what do we do now? Like this. 9x minus 4x is 5x plus 12x, 17x. Plus 3y plus 2y over. Okay. Any problems there? Finally understanding. Is that what you said now? What did you say? Still don't understand. You still don't understand. You do or do not? Or still do or what? Mid. Okay. So you can do this one first. Then I can see what you don't understand. Okay. So she's going to answer this first and I can see where she's going on. Okay. Who would like to do the next one? Who would like? Shiloh says yes. Alright. So go for it, Michael. In front of her. Yes. What's your LCM? Tell me what's your LCM? 2x squared. So x times what is 2x squared? 2x. So it's going to be 2x into 2x minus 1. Plus 2x times what is 2x squared? X. So I'm left with x plus 1. So 2x squared times x squared times what is 2x squared? 2. So what do I do now? Answer bracket. Right, go for it. It's going to be 4x squared, yes? 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 Squared, yes? Yes? Over? Right, so what do we do now? Like that. So 4x squared plus x squared is 5x squared. 5x squared minus 6x squared. Negative x squared. 2x squared. That's right, minus 2x plus x is minus x. Minus x plus 2x. X minus 2. What don't you understand? You did the whole sum on your own now. Oh, you understand now? People, there'll come a time in your life that stuff is so easy. Accept that you understand. Don't tell yourself, nah, I don't understand. It's easy. Right, Shiloh, you asked for the next one?
I did ask.
You said me, eh? Sorry? Number 19. Number 19 is who? 2 million said no. Shiloh said. So give Shiloh a chance. Okay. She have a choice, and she said yes. Yes, 2 million? You're not 2 million. Oh, come back later. Sorry, you want to do number 20? Okay, right, go for it, Shiloh. You're Shiloh, isn't it? Go, try me, I'll help you if you can't do it. What's it, I'll say? She says A squared, yes. Yes, B squared. Is there a C squared here? No C squared. Nice. So, A squared BC times what's going to give you A squared B squared C? B. So it's B times 1. So, B squared C multiplied by what's going to give you A squared B squared C? A squared. So it's 2A into A squared. What? Sorry?
It's the same.
How do you mean it's the same thing?
So it was 2A into A squared is the same as A squared.
Yeah. A squared times 2A is the same as 2A times A squared. No? One in the bracket, okay. She insists, since she's doing the sum, she wants to have it the other way. So this must be times by A squared, no? So it's A squared times 2A. Alright. So AC multiplied by what's going to give you A squared B squared C? You also want the sum. What's wrong with you? Yes. Oh my word. AC multiplied by what is going to give you A squared B squared C? Don't you? Okay. So, what must this be multiplied by? A B squared. Not so. So what do we get? B plus 2A cubed plus 3AB squared over A squared B squared C. Cavalito. Cavalito also 1-1. Na Cavalito? Nice. Right, number 20. Cavalito, go for it. What's your LCM? 18. 12 can't go into 18. Huh? 24 is absolutely correct. 24?
P squared.
People give a chance.
It's P squared.
P squared?
Q squared.
Q squared. Right. So, is 2 and 4 into 1 off? P 2 here? I don't know. Right. So 3P squared Q times what is 24 P squared Q squared? 8?
8 P squared. No, it's 8. 8Q.
8Q, yes. So it's going to be 8Q times 2 minus. Hang on.
Your attention please. All choir members, can you please report to Mrs. Alon's classroom in the hall passage? All choir members to report to Mrs. Alon's classroom in the hall down the passage.
Alright, so what was 8P Q
There is a
squared?
ticket sale for Naco Maritriana Italy fundraiser. It will be held during second break in Mrs. Patel's classroom. A ticket fundraiser for Unaco Maritriana's Italy tour, and that will be in Mrs. Patel's classroom now at break. Thank you.
Right, yes? 3 is? 3p, yes. There's 3p into 3 plus 12pq times what? Is 24pq. 2p.
The following learners can you please report to Miss
So from here it's just a multiplication.
classroom now.
So it's going to be
11A is Kelsey,
16q minus
Anesu,
9p plus
Kyra,
10pq.
Viwetu, and Layla. In 11B, it is Lamnota, Anobuyo, Sizazako, Melissa, and Ciara. Those learners, if you can please go immediately to room 36 now.
Okay, is there any issues here? No. People, for homework I would like you guys to re-answer the test at the back of your book. I know we had other homework that we had to still mark. We will mark that in tomorrow's lesson. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning class. Good afternoon class.